Hello everyone, this is Augustine Mwita from the Business Intelligence Agency. So we are still on the 14th part of the tutorial, part B. So before we proceed, I know we've run low on inventories, so you should add stock. So assume we've got new supplies. So press on the main menu, visit the stock group, add or remove stock module. Then you can see the current available stock is only one packet. So let us add some other 50 packets. Then press save. So right now we've got 51 packets. So let us go back on the sales group, then sales arena. So the next thing that I'm going to show you on the second part of the sales on the sales tutorial, there are some configurations, there are some settings that we come across when doing sales. So in order to see those settings, just press on the bottom center, this circle with 4 dots, then the scanner will open. So these settings are now visible. So you can see we've got an auto draw, it is on. Flag pay, I've put it on. Initially automatic pay was on. So when you put automatic pay on, flag pay disappears. And when you put flag pay on, automatic pay still does not disappear. But when you toggle again auto payment on, then flag pay goes off. So I'll just tell you the meaning of this auto pay and flag pay. Then we've got auto close. And then we've got flag accounts, this one here, auto print, this one here, flag print, this one here, then auto flash, this one here. So let us start with auto pay. So what does auto pay mean? Auto pay simply means that wherever we make a sale, especially when we're targeting a cash sale customer, wherever we make that sale, that payment will be done automatically. So let us do an example. Let us scan this item. Yeah, that is it. So we want to sell one piece to cash sale and the auto payment is on. So what happens when we hit the send button, this white button with the tick? When you hit this send button, a single item has been sold to cash sale and the price is 250 shillings. When you visit the payments, the first record, you will see that the cash sale has done a payment of 250 shillings. So, and the sale ID is 3601. So the auto pay setting simply means wherever we make a sale, payment will be done automatically. Let us do another example. Open the scanner. Scan the item. Then let us now sell three items using the same price. So the amount that will be paid is 750 shillings. So wherever we hit the send button, that sale has been done and the payment has also been done automatically. So when we visit the payments, we'll see that the first transaction is that from the cash sale paid 750 shillings with using the sale ID 3602. So you can see we did a sale worth 750 shillings and payment worth 750 shillings has also been paid. So I really hope by now you know the meaning of automatic payment, auto pay. So in order to change these settings, we just press that button, then the scanner opens. Then let us now use the other pay known as the flag pay. We put off the automatic pay, then the flag pay we put it on. So you can see the flag pay is on, this one here, on, and the automatic pay is off. So right now, wherever we make a sale, we will be flagged to make a payment. So for example, let me scan this item. So let us sell 4 pieces. Then hit the send button, this white button with a tick. So we've been flagged to make a payment. So by default, the return change setting is off, meaning that wherever you put an amount, the whole sum amount, the entire amount that you put will be used as a payment. But in my case, I want to always return change. So I'll put return change on. So let us assume that the customer paid 2,000 shillings. So since the return change is set to on, only 1,000 shillings will be deducted from the 2,000 shillings. Then the other 1,000 shillings will be returned as change. So when I hit the send button, that sale has been done. Then let us now go and visit the payments. So payments, on the payment side, you can now see that 1,000 shillings has been paid from cash sale, and this time around it is a manual payment. So flag pay simply means that wherever the flag pay is set to on, payment will be received manually. So till now, I really hope we understand the difference between flag pay, between this flag pay and automatic pay. So the next thing that we are going to discuss is about the auto close setting. This setting, put something below so you can see clearly. So you can see right here, you've got an auto close. So what's the meaning of auto close? Auto close simply means that wherever we make a sale, this place for making sales automatically closes after we made that sale. So for now, let me go back to automatic payment. I want to make a sale with auto close on. So since auto close is on, wherever I scan a new item, then let us assume there are 2 pieces that I want to sell. Then I press the hit button. Once a sale is done, that place for making sales automatically closes because the auto close is set to on. But in this other case, let me now decide to put it off. Auto close is now off. So wherever I scan for a new item, then I want to right now to sell 3 pieces. Then I make a sale. After that sale is done, yes, the sale is done, but this place for making sales, it is still on. It has not closed automatically since the auto close setting is off. So if I want to go back to the sales arena, what I must do, I must press this button, this plus with this green plus button. So once I do that, then I press the back button, then I go to the home page. Not to the home page, to the sales arena page. So till now, I hope you've understand the meaning of auto payment, flag payment, and auto close. Let me return it to on. So the next thing that I want to discuss is about the flag account. So flag account simply means whatever it is set on, when visiting this page, we are prompted to choose which account we want to sell to. So by default, it is off. Whenever I visit this place, the default customer is the cash sale. But if it were on, I've not set it to on, then back. Wherever I press this button, then it opens. I'm prompted to select a customer that I want to sell to. So that's the importance of flag accounts being on. Then the next thing that I want to discuss is about auto flash. So what does auto flash mean? So sometimes you may be using the scanner and the place that you're working on is too dark. So in that case, you may want, wherever visiting the scanner, to automatically put the lights on. So since I've set this auto flash on, wherever I visit this sales intent, you see the light automatically comes on. The flashlight automatically comes on. So that's the essence of auto flash. But wherever it is off, when I press this button, the scanner has not turned on. So I really hope you've understood these settings. So since it is off, then I put it, then I visit that place. The flashlight does not automatically turn on since the auto flash setting is toggled to off. You can also manually put on the flashlight by pressing the flash, this button that looks like a torch, on, off. So that's how you deal with it manually. So the last thing that I want us to talk about is the flag print and auto print. You may want to automatically print a receipt. Here I've got a Bluetooth printer with me, so you can see it. So you may want, when making sales, to automatically print receipts. So in that case, auto print, you'll set it on. But you may also want to be prompted to ask either to print that receipt or not to print the receipt. So if you want to be prompted each and every time whether to print or not, make sure the flag print is set to on. But in case you want to ignore printing, just make sure the flag print and auto print are off. So the first thing that I want to do right now, I want to show you about the auto print. So auto print is on. Then I want us to we've scanned the item. Then let us hit the send button. So since I don't have a default printer set, I'll have to select my default printer. So first of all, I'll turn on my printer. Then I'll select, since my printer is a Bluetooth printer, I'll select the Bluetooth printer option. Then there's no paired printer, so I'll pair my printer. I'm getting this option to select my printer because there was no a default printer set. So the name of my printer is a Bluetooth printer. I select it. So password is 1, 2, 3, 4. There. So my printer is paired, and you'll see the receipt will be printed automatically. So let us try to do another cell with the auto printer on. So let me scan. Yeah, I've scanned it. You can see here is my printer. Then press the hit send button, the white button. So you can see immediately the printer also prints the receipt. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is about the flag print. So wherever the flag print is on, I've said flag print prompts you each and every time whether to print or not, or to share that receipt via WhatsApp, email, etc. So since the flag print is on, let me now scan item. Here is it. Then I want to sell 6 pieces. Then I'll hit the send button. Then I'll be prompted either to print, to share, to preview, or to cancel. So for now, I want to print. Hit the print button. Then the printer prints it. Then the next thing, yeah, I've scanned it. I want to sell some other 9 pieces. Send. Then I've been asked right now. I may want to preview the receipt. Using PDF toolkit. Yeah, so this is it. You can see I've now previewed my receipt. These are ads. I've successfully turned off the ads. So next, this is it. So for now, I want to sell some other 4 pieces, but then I want to share. So I'll hit the send button, then press share. So I'm prompted to share via WhatsApp, via Gmail, etc. So just choose wherever you want to share it. So the next thing, you can also, wherever you've been prompted to print some other two, you may also choose to cancel. So that's all in the second part of the tutorial on doing sales. Thank you. Welcome again in the next tutorial.